Hey guys, welcome back. Um this vlog here. So my sister NJ is in town. You guys will see her very soon. I'm sure she has put out a video on her channel, Banter with NJ. I've put it on the screen. She's in town. My twin sister. We went for school pickup today, and all the teachers thought she was me. Some people that know me very well were like, "Oh, I know you," or some people were like, "Something is off. I saw you in the morning. I saw two of you in the morning, so I know this is not Kaito's mom." Anyways, she's in town, and also I'm going to cry. Uche is traveling tomorrow. Uche is going to her village tomorrow. Hey God, I don't know how I'm going to survive it. I do not know what I'm going to do. Um, she just entered the car. Say hi. This journey, this place I'm even going to serve is by the Spirit of God. To be honest, I forgot about it. Uche forgot about it. She don't say anything. Thank God that the tailor called me. So Uche has a wedding that she's going for. Check out her channel. She did you vlog today again? Did you vlog you well?
I tried.
Just check out her channel. She was supposed to vlog today, so I'll see what she vlogs now. We'll put it up. But like preparation for the wedding, she's going for her friend's wedding. I've been telling Uche that it's like you carry the children and be going because who is going to bath them? It's not me. Who is going to wake up in the morning and pack their bags for school? It's not me. I've not done it in a very long time. So I cannot do it. I'm not going to do it. I refuse to do it. Even though I can do it, I have refused to do it. They're just things that I can't do anymore. I don't even want to do it. I'm not handicapped, so I know I can do it, but I do not want to do it. So yeah, I had to make a plan B. Of course I had to make a plan B, but I'll tell you guys about that later. For now, Uche is going tomorrow. We're off to the tailor now to try her ashwebi. The vlog is going to be on her channel. So go to Uche's channel. Uche Otom is going to be on the screen to check it out. But for now, let's go. I'm going to show breast now. You meant it. You guys, so we're at the tailor. Uche just came to pick up her ashwebi for her wedding. Is it her friend's wedding? No, she's going for her friend's wedding, traveling all the way, leaving us. When?
Where?
Calabar. She's going to Calabar for her friend's wedding. She's chilling. Even see the way she has packed. Uche packed how many days ago? Even that yesterday that you called me. So yesterday, I busy yesterday, 2 days when you called me, Sha, about the material not being enough, blah blah blah. I called Uche and I told her you make it pencil. Hey. She was sad though. That's why I called you back and say anything I can do. Make it sleep. Later she called me back. What did you say? I said, no, what you said. When you see it, you see it. I said, look at this one. The wedding has been shocking Uche, eh? Her first ashwebi. You don't need to wear bra anyway. She will not. No, you don't have to. You don't take off. Remove the bra and try it. My dear, I cannot wait to see what she looks like. Uche, the slay I'm sure the slay she's planning to do this weekend. It will be the kind of slay she has not slayed in a very long time. We'll not go hear word. TikTok will not hear word. I'm sure Instagram will not go hear word for Uche this weekend. So I'm happy for her, Sha. I can't wait to see the fit. Shebi, you are very happy to be going. Eh?
I'm happy.
Accept it to your food test, don't worry.
I feel bad.
Don't feel bad anything. Don't feel bad anything. Why you scam? She does not feel bad anything. See Blessing,
But I'm happy
Uche's
that I'm
sister.
going for a wedding.
Blessing, say hi.
Hello. Hi.
Uche is about to leave, you guys. We'll miss you.
We miss you so much, seriously.
Not so much, but we'll miss
So
you.
much, Chelo, you miss Uche. Chinelo's life is about to
Say
become
hi.
frustrating. Hi.
Not really. I have NJ there. I'll just leave the problem for her. I'm leaving the problem for you.
Thank God Oluchi's around.
Exactly. I go Uche that. I go Uche abe ho anyi nche so Uche we that wedding. Ko ibo Uche asiri. NJ let her be going, no. Let her get good seats.
For a wedding. We're going for enjoyment.
Yeah.
Be safe, okay? Have fun.
Thank you so much.
And vlog for us. Plenty.
Plenty.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Uche wait before they leave you.
Go, 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 go. Bye.
So you guys, Uche has gone. I'm crying, like I'm legitimately crying. I'm sad. Let me do sad face. Sorry, it's that thumbnail. Hold on. Kaito, come, let me hold you for the thumbnail. Come, let me hold you people so it will be sad face. I'm sad, yes, because Uche is not here. Where's Adana? Oh, everybody do sad face. Kaito, you're smiling. Do sad face. Kaito, you're smiling. If you cannot act, you go.
I cried. Just
Do like you're crying. Kaito, go. You're not acting well. You remove your head. Let me and Kobe do. Adana, come. Let's see if you can act. Oh yeah, cry. Kobe, that's nice. Good job. This one was busy smiling. I don't know, was smiling. So you guys, that might be the thumbnail or might not. Uche has gone. She has even reached though. She reached her village around 1. We're so lucky this morning, Like when we went to drop her off, she went with Ebo Trans. That's the name, but when we went to drop her off, this sweater is making me look like I'm glowing. This is not glow, this is heat, Nigeria is hot. Let me call my own fan, but I can't even on fan as I'm making this video. Anyways, when we went to drop her off, it was the last bus. So she just entered that one. She got there around 1. She left around 8, got there around 1. Like she got to her father's house around 1. She's home now. We miss her, but we're actually fine. See Adana over there. Dada! See her drinking water there. We're actually fine because I have a plan B, okay? Oluchi, come and introduce yourself. So NJ came with Oluchi so that Oluchi can help us around while Uche is done. Come and say hi. Oyabia. Say hi to the peeps.
Hi.
Hi. No, come and be my new thumbnail. I'll say Uche's replacement is here. Come and be my new thumbnail. Oh, yeah, pose. Bia, kulu, kulu. Kaito, stop jumping. So, Oluchi is here to help out, and I've not felt it at all. Like, I've not felt Uche's absence at all, because immediately we got back from school, Oluchi went straight up and showered the kids. She washed their flasks and their water bottles, stuff like that, unpacked their bags. They're fine, they're playing now. After a while, they're going to eat. See, I don't know what is going to make me to be doing this kind of work and this my life again, because I just cannot. I cannot. I'll pay whatever it costs, whatever it takes. Try to stop. Whatever it takes for someone to do it for me. That's why I cannot live abroad, okay? Not all of us can live and survive abroad. I can't do it. Like, this kind of thing could not have happened abroad. I really can't do it. Like, we miss Uche, but not so much, to be honest. We're fine without her, but we love her. We still can't wait for her to be back. This is actually like a learning moment for me, because I used to think that, once Uche leaves, how will I survive? But yeah, we're fine. It just takes someone else that will know how to do the job to just get the job done. Anyways, Dada, come and say hi to the people. Come and say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Hi, guys. You're so cute. You're so cute. I'm cooking, and others after me and then they spent 14,000 something buying food. Nonsense food from Genesis. I still branch market and I bought things. Now I want to cook. I just like to cook. I'll show you guys what I'm cooking, or when I'm done cooking, I will show you the finished food, okay? Yes. I forgot to tell you guys, I'm supposed to do juice cleanse today and tomorrow. Clearly, I'm not doing juice cleanse, but instead of drinking Fanta, Coke, and all those bad things, I'm just going to take juice because they delivered it late and I was already very hungry. Stop making noise. the plan was to start drinking it, but it got delivered late. So whenever I'm ready to do this next, I feel like I'll order it the day before. For this one, it didn't work. Okay, so I bought this from Juice Hub. I was supposed to use them, but it's not happening. So we're just all going to share this now. And next time when I'm ready, I will do another juice cleanse. Kobe is trying to pose to enter the video. Kaito is trying to enter the video too. See crossing leg. Anyways, here they are, but definitely no juice cleanse.
Hi guys, this is NJ. NJ, of course, now some of you already know me. But for those of you who don't know me, I'm NJ, Nelo's very sweet sister, Nelo's sweetest sister. That's me. I'm sorry, I was looking at myself at the camera, you know. Nelo's camera quality, oh my god, it's top notch. To think that we use the same camera, the same lens, but still, just look at that. Anyways, let me be looking at you people now. So yes, I am in Port Harcourt. Nelo has been disturbing me like for months. NJ when I come to Port Harcourt, NJ when I come to Port Harcourt, and now I am here. And let me not lie to you guys, Nelo has been taking she's been taking good care of me. Seriously, she has been spoiling me here and there. Like anything I want, I get. This is kind of visit I like to.
Okay, it's enough.
I'm still talking now.
No, that was enough.
Wait now, Chikelo.
That was enough introduction, okay?
Let me continue.
No, you talk too
Let
much.
me continue now.
NJ, you talk too much.
Shall
It's
you
okay.
guys? I've been
NJ.
having so much fun in Port Harcourt. Oh my god, I love coming to Port Harcourt. Chinelo, she knows
All
the
right.
next thing I'm about to say. That's why she stopped.
All right.
It's like, see,
Bye.
Chinelo is so amazing.
Sweet. Stand up. I don't know if swimming is good tomorrow. Look at her cute swimsuit. Stand there, let's see it well. She's so excited. You want to see yourself? See that's cute. I can't remove your big head. See Adana's cute swimsuit. You are so cute. She's running to my mirror to go and see herself. My long mirror. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. Adana is just so cute. Look at her. Look at her. So cute. So I'm just about to start editing this vlog because it's going up today. It's currently 3:30. So this is me ending the vlog. I'm still cooking. I'm still making pepper chicken, pepper turkey. Oga baby is coming back from work today. I already bought him food though, but again, I don't like that food I bought. I didn't even eat it because I wasn't in the mood. So I'm making this more for myself, even though we'll all eat it, sha. It's coming back from work today. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next vlog. Hope you guys are all doing fine. And NJ is here, Oluchi is here, so we're doing good, okay? We're trying without Uche. Anyways, I'll see you guys.
We'll see you guys later.
Okay.
Bye.
Say bye.
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 Dana, come and tell